New ratings are out for the 2021 Ford Bronco four-door, and it got good ratings in 5 of our crashworthiness tests, including the driver's side small overlap. The occupant compartment held up well and allowed the restraint systems to do a good job controlling the dummy's movement. But there was some intrusion into the footwell, which contributed to injury risk to the driver's left leg. But overall, on balance, this got a good rating in our driver's side small overlap test. Front crash prevention is another bright spot for the Ford Bronco. It did well in our vehicle-to-vehicle and our pedestrian detection tests. And that's true of both the standard front crash prevention system and the optional system that's available on some trim levels. But this vehicle missed our top safety pick rating because of 2 big weaknesses we saw in our test suite. The vehicle got an acceptable rating in our head restraint test, which simulates a 20-mile-per-hour rear impact crash. The problem is that the head restraint did not provide enough support for the dummy's head in that test. And it was a surprise to us because in 2021, most vehicles get a good rating in that test. Another weakness was headlights. Both headlight options on the Ford Bronco received our second lowest rating of marginal. And the problem with the headlights is that they weren't illuminated far enough down the road in the curves. So because of those 2 weaknesses in our test suite, the Ford Bronco missed our top safety pick rating. If you're interested in the Ford Bronco Sport, we released those ratings earlier this year, and that did receive our top rating of Top Safety Pick Plus. You can look for the ratings for both vehicles on our website at IIHS.org.